guys, welcome back, welcome back. I thought I'd do something a little bit different today. I have been making a few random Amazon orders and for different products that I've needed. I kind of had a chuckle today. I didn't know what the heck this was. I seen it in the box and I'm like, what is this? Do you know what this is, you guys? This is hair nets. It's a pack of 20 and they're the 30-inch ones, so they're the longer ones. But they come in these individual little packages. And I'm like, seriously, what? So now that I know what it is, it's actually kind of cool. But yeah, okay. So you never know what you're going to get or how it's going to come packaged, I guess. The other thing I saw is on I Am Style Wigs, they were showing how to do, make a wig get ready for you to wear. And they were doing a few different steps. But this is one of the products that they were using. And it's called OSiS. I think that's how you say it. It's a texture and mattifying powder, like a dry shampoo. And I got it for some of the wigs that I have that are a little more excess shiny, but the shine will go down the more you wear them, you guys, so remember that. Or if you start washing them, each wash will take a little bit more of that silicone shine off. So don't feel like you have to do a dry shampoo. Like if you can handle some of the shine, leave it. The longer you keep that silicone on, the longer your wig will look stronger, healthier, better, right? So anyways, this is OSiS, so I got this to try. The other thing I got was these little clips. These are just little alligator clips. Let's take one out. And they're all different, but these are the alligator clips. So they're just like this little thing here. But these little ones are also clips. So right here, they're really hard to manipulate. There you go. So you can put them in and then you can tuck hair into this, into each one of those. But I also got a pack of 5 headband ones. So there's 3 that have like pattern on them, like embellishments, and then there's 2 that are just plain. So I thought I would try with this one to start with. And I'm wearing Bobby from the WIGSPACANADA. And I've had Bobby for a while, and she's really cute, you guys. Okay, so let's try to center this here a little bit. And let's try this out. I have discovered, though, that each side, it opens differently, okay? So that's kind of a nice feature. So let's put this on. And then what I want to do is just keep some of this section, the front section pieces out. But let's try this. Where's the first one? Way down here. So let's take, maybe we should start at the top. I don't know how to do this. You guys worked with these before? Let's do this. So that should be this way. Let's see. Don't mind me while I bumble here. Okay, and then another little section into this next one. Oh, it kind of helps if you have it in front of that piece. Okay. Oh, that's kind of cool. I have seen a lot of people using these lately, and I think it looks really neat. Where does that one open? Right here. Tuck that in. And then let's do another little small section here. I've just been on the look for different ways to start styling some of these wigs. It's kind of fun. I don't have hair that I can play with, so. But what do you think of that? I mean, obviously, I'm going to be doing some practicing on this, but let's try this side. So this is going to open this way. Oh, I think I missed that one. Okay, hang on. Okay, let's go here. Huh, it's kind of neat. What kind of stuff have you guys been getting to play with your wigs, like to make your own styles. I'm curious to see what everybody's doing. It's just fun to be able to, like I say, make these your own, right? And even if you don't do any custom cutting or anything, you can still play with these. It's still hair. It's still your hair that you have bought to put on your head. And so have fun with it. Okay, where is that part? It's right. Ouch. Welcome to Brenda, you guys. Okay, and then what I just want to do is I just want to pull these out just a little bit, give it a little bit of extra oomph. There. What do you guys think? I mean, obviously I'm going to be practicing this a lot more, but I think that's kind of a fun idea. Just make sure you're not pulling on any of the lace front area and exposing anything you don't want to expose, but what do you guys think? Oh, and the other thing I got from Amazon, ouch, is this box of 20 wooden skirt hangers. That's what I use in my black wig bags for obviously hanging the wigs. I'm waiting for more wig bags to come. They are going to take a little bit to get here, but that's okay. I can get ready for them. So yeah, and again, you guys, this is Bobby from the WIGSPACANADA. She's a 13 by 4, I believe. Yeah, 13 by 4 lace front. She's 24 inches long and beautiful brown with some subtle highlights in here, like really pretty. I love her. She's a Futura fiber, heat friendly, and just gorgeous. So anyways, thanks for playing with me while I try these out, and I will be practicing them on other wigs, like using it on other wigs as well. So have a wonderful, wonderful Saturday, you guys. Mwah. Bye.